Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this upgraded smartwatch. It is a full touchscreen for fitness tracking with a heart rate, blood oxygen monitor, sleep tracking. It is IP68 waterproof. It works with Androids and iPhones. Alright, so we got this smartwatch here. It's offered in 3 different colors. I've got the pink one. It offers in black as well. So right here is the power button on the side. At the top, it's your heart rate, your blood oxygen, and your steps. So then you have your time, your date. So this automatically comes completely dead when you get it. So when you get it, you'll have to charge it. So this is your steps. So if you move to your left, up, and now you've got your heart rate, your sleep, your exercise record. Now we'll scroll to the side. Now you got your exercise, heart rate, your oxygen level. Right here you have your relax mode. You got a timer, an alarm, stopwatch. So this one here is saying that it's low power. You've got your sleep, your music, and your settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and charge this, and I will be right back as soon as it's completely finished charging. So now we got it completely charged. It took me about an hour and a half to charge it. This here has real accurate heart rate monitor. It tells you what your heart rate is. It is IP68 water level, 6 dustproof, level 8 waterproof. The long-lasting battery upgrade design, it's 45% increase in the bottom life. So before, it used to be a lot less. So right here, it's tracking my heart rate. Right now, my heart rate is 83 beats per minute. It has a large 1.69-inch HD screen and a touch UI 3.0, ultra clear and large icons for smooth touch. 30% screen and 20% pixels, improvement from bigger and clearer view. It's got an accurate sleep quality tracking, so it tells you about your sleep time, your timer, you get your stopwatch. You just click on that and it'll start it, push pause and it'll stop. Move over to your side and it'll go back to the menu. It's got your daily activity tracking. So here is your music player. So I'm just going to go and play something on the music right now using this watch. So it does control your music on your phone or your Android phone. It is equipped with a 260 milliamp high capacity battery and use of low power main control. With a chip Godex 5515, the bigger screen is a 240 by 280 HD resolution. The UI is 3.0 design. It has your sleep activity monitor, heart rate monitor, your blood oxygen level tracking. You've got 10 sport modes, reminder function, practical auxiliary function. So if you're looking for a smartwatch and you don't want to pay all that extra money for an Apple iWatch, I would definitely say check this one out.